The Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro are out and are available for pre-order, but is it better than the iPhone 13? Let's go over. I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 features that I believe that the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro are a lot better than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So far we've had the launch of the Samsung phones. We have the iPhone 13. And today we are going to be talking about the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. So the two big giants that we're going to be focusing on are the Pixel and the iPhone 13. And mainly probably the Pro versus the Pro Max. A like is appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your notifications for your next Techniques video. I know if you saw the launch and you saw Google talk about how amazing and everything that looks good about the Pixel 6, well, today I'm going to probably reinforce why there are 5 reasons why the Pixel is just a lot better than the iPhone 13. The Pixel itself is a personal phone. If you are looking for something that you want to, let's just say, grow into it. If you want a pal, a technical pal, a techie pal with you, come along and to be able to assist you in your everyday tasks, your everyday things that you have to do, well, then let me tell you something. The Pixel 6 is probably the phone that you're going to need. Why? Because of the following reasons. If you love taking pictures, I know a lot of you guys do love taking pictures. If you want a lot from your phone, such as the goodiness, all the features that a phone can provide for you, that allows you to personalize your phone the way you want to, and that it has a lot of features that you're able to use. Well, then that is the Pixel 6. Now, let's dive in. One of the coolest things, if you love to take pictures, is the Magic Eraser. As you see here in the video, you can see how easily you can remove anything from the background. You can do this in Photoshop, but if you do this in Photoshop, it's going to take you some time. It's going to take you a bit of a time to be able to remove any backgrounds and make it look like they were never there. With the Pixel 6, we have the Magic Erasers that just magically makes things disappear. Very easy. All you have to do is click on it and then boom, it's all gone. And I think that's one feature that the iPhone 13 doesn't have, and it doesn't have it in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And at this moment, we are only seeing it from the Pixel 6 Pro and the Pixel 6 itself. And I think this is a game changing for a lot of people because, there's sometimes that you don't want to show something in the background and you just want to remove it. And that is what the Pixel 6 is allowing you to do. Another thing is, if you love to take pictures, is the motion mode. The motion mode, what it allows you to do is sometimes you take pictures and all of a sudden it just looks blurry, or the face of your child looks blurry, or let's say you were trying to focus on your car and everything around it is just blurry. Well, Pixel 6 has the fix for that. You are able to automatically, the phone detects that the picture that you are taking, you want it to come out really clear. So you have a second camera that automatically just pops in place and fixes that for you right on the spot. No more taking pictures and then you going back and checking them if they look good or not. The Pixel 6 fixes that automatically, just like the way I just snapped my fingers, just like that. Now, another feature is the Android 12 goodies. The Pixel comes with the Android 12, and the Android 12, it just complements the way Google wants to go about with the Tensor chip. And what it does is, as an example, you saw it here in the video, if you are wearing a red shirt and you want your phone itself to accommodate to what you're wearing at that day, all you have to do is snap a picture and automatically the UI changes the background of your phone and it matches the color of that you're wearing that day. Isn't that awesome? That is something that no other phone at this moment has. That feature that allows it to be yours and customizes it to your own liking. And with these goodies come a personal assistant. If you want someone to help you in your daily things, then the Google Assistant will help you with anything, I will say with just anything that you are trying to do. When you're trying to make a call and somehow, where you are trying to call is busy and is asking you for, press on 1, press on 2, press on 3, Google Assistant would automatically give you those options so you don't have to listen to them again. You're going to have them straight on the screen itself so you are able to select the choice that you want. Also, and it is crazy how the AI just knows when you're trying to call. It is going to know how long you're going to be on hold on that phone call, and it will try to assist you in whatever you allow it to do it. The next one is probably one of the most important because we live here in the United States. And wherever you go, either you go to a McDonald's, you go to an In-N-Out, or if you go to the supermarket, sometimes wherever you are, it depends on what state, county, or city you are in, you're going to need the live translator. Sometimes you talk to people and you're like, can't understand what they're saying, but no longer Google allows you to do that right on the moment. You don't need to be connected via internet, nothing like this. Google automatically with the Pixel itself, it will live translate a conversation between you and whoever you're trying to talk to. If you're trying to speak to someone who speaks Spanish, Chinese, Mandarin, Korean, Japanese, or whatever other languages, Google will do that automatically with the Pixel 6 really fast. So you are able to communicate with that person with no problem. And the last one I would have to say is the 5-year updates that Google is going to bring with the Pixel 6. They are offering 5 years of support. No other phone, no other smartphone at this time, not even Apple or Samsung is going to give you those 5 years. They only give you 3 years of support and that's it. Nothing more than that. There you go, guys. Those are 5 features that I believe that the Pixel 6 is a lot better than the iPhone 13. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, how you feel about the Pixel 6 itself, and if is this something that you're going to be picking up. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching the videos. A like is appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your notifications for your next Techniques video.